Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video
From the boys.
from the boys.
Today
we should have 2 videos. Maybe, I don't know, but we'll have another video after this coming out.
yeah.
Because we just...
Wait, actually 3 because we're also doing the...
Oh, yes!
Okay, but anyways, this is a classic. We're going to be exploding balls.
This is a ball. It went on the roof in 2021 on the school roof, and I got it back at the end of the year of 2022. Like, maybe September or something.
Dang. But yeah, we're going to be exploding it.
Alright.
Iconic.
We've already pumped it up, as you can see.
It's really solid.
It's solid. I wouldn't be able to bounce it, otherwise it would be deflated before we pumped it. Anyway, let's get my bad talking.
And start pumping. And now it's time. Okay, Aiden, let's go.
Alright. You're really gonna...
We'll do 10 pumps each. 1, 2, 3. And when we do 10 pumps, we're not going to cut it. We're just going to leave it because we don't want to just keep cutting it and having to edit. It's going to be quite boring. So we're just going to pass it over.
What pump am I at?
Just do 5 more. I have no idea. Okay. Ooh. You can see it's
3.
half red or a quarter red. 1. Okay, now it's time for Aiden to record me.
Wait, is the camera still on? Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Let's go.
2, 3, 4. Oh, I heard something. 5, 6. Do you hear that? 7.
Oh! Wait, it's not exploded.
It's not exploded.
Hold on, we'll be back.
Okay, we're back. I said I wouldn't do any cuts, but this happened. It didn't actually explode. It's still rock solid. And we're going to just keep pumping it. 1, 2.
Wait.
That was 2 pumps. Don't worry.
Wait.
3,
It's gone.
4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. I reckon if you do your 3 or 4 pumps, you get it. I think 3 more pumps.
I'm scared, y'all.
You have to do your 3. Hey, you want to put the chair over it?
Bear! I'm safe, y'all!
Yeah, bro, he don't care now. Just when we finish our pumps and we give it to each other, just make it face it. Face it.
Let me get a zoom in. As you can see, the
Yeah, I'll
balls
block it from my side.
under there.
1,
Alright. Sorry, Pat.
3, 4,
We'll do 5 each.
5. No, it's 10. 6.
I've never seen them. I thought the ball was going to be exploded.
7. You ready?
Let me pump.
8. 9.
Oh, shit.
10.
Alright, get it.
It's so fat. Look at that. It's so fat. You know, I'm zooming in on it. I'm just gonna record the ball.
Need this closer.
Yeah, we're recording. That was my bad.
3,
Oh my god. Keep going.
4.
Oh.
Bro, we could come popcorn in.
You can hear the unstitching. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's check out the aftermath. Okay, and this is the aftermath.
So it's just like every single...
So this is a hollow football. Let's play football. Hey, look, that patch is white. Rip it open. Come on. we'll check out this bit, the inner ball thing, I guess. It's like a bike tire with a tube and the actual tire, except on a football.
Sounds like every single other ball.
Anyway, I think it's time to end it.
All right.
So, see ya, guys.